You know we love our Hexagon, but now we have RGB Hexagon. This is our new set. This has RGBs, and very important, something that's very different about RGBs is not all the tubes are the same. You know, when we're building these Hexagons, all the tubes are the same. You can use whichever one, you can reverse the orders, you can rotate it back and forth. No, not with the RGBs. RGB tubes are very special. There's actually two types of tubes. There are tubes that are labeled A, which has input and output. Then we have tubes that are labeled B, that's input but no output. Very important. And you can only set this Hexagon up in this orientation. You see, this one is not DIY friendly. No DIY. You cannot change the format, you cannot change the order because you got B, 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 B. Those are your B Hexagons. Then you have A. See, all those are A. Very important to use the B ones when you use B ones for this diagram and A for the A ones in the diagram. It has to be that way for the RGBs to work because the circuit is powered that way. Now you get two RGB controllers and you got your AC adapter right here. You have a wireless RF remote control. I love that. This one allows you to change static colors and you can have different patterns. You can change the speed. Very awesome remote control right there. And then you have your connectors over here. So similar to the normal Hexagons, you have the Y connectors. That's going to connect three tubes together like that. And then you have your V connectors. These are the V connectors and they will connect two tubes together, similar to what we see right here. So two tubes together, right? So you have the V connectors, the Y connectors, you get a bunch of zip ties. And I really like this because they include mounting hardware so you can suspend your lights on a tall ceiling. Very cool because right here, let me show you, this is really neat. So you can install it either on the grid by zip tying to the top of your grid, or you can attach them by just screwing them to your walls or your ceiling, or my favorite is you can hang them from the top using the included suspension wires. That's really cool. So these are the RGB Hexagon lights and they're so cool. I can't wait to install them. You got a bunch of tubes. There are 5 Hexagons. These things are gonna be awesome. Oh yeah.